Hi friends, let me take you on an exciting journey into the heart of Stoicism and introduce you to Stoic philosophy. Please support me by subscribing to this channel and liking the content. Also, share your thoughts with me in the form of comments. Reverse Psychology 7 Lessons on How to Use Rejection to Your Favor. Number 1. Reframe the experience. When rejection hits, I don't let it define me. Instead, I reframe it as a stepping stone, a lesson that pushes me to grow. This shift in mindset turns a negative into a positive, making me more resilient and determined. By embracing rejection, I see it not as a failure, but as a necessary part of the journey. This perspective fuels my drive and keeps me moving forward with purpose. Number 2. Learn from feedback. Rejection often comes with valuable feedback, and I embrace it as a gift. Each critique is an opportunity to learn, to sharpen my skills, and to improve. I don't shy away from feedback. Instead, I actively seek it out, knowing that it's a crucial tool for growth. By learning from what others see in me, I become better equipped to succeed in future endeavors. Number 3. Strengthen resilience. Rejection tests my resilience, but I see it as a chance to grow stronger. Each setback builds my mental toughness, teaching me to withstand challenges without losing focus. I view resilience as a muscle that gets stronger with every trial. By embracing rejection, I prepare myself for the tough roads ahead, knowing that perseverance in the face of adversity is key to long-term success. Number 4. Enhance your skills. When I face rejection, I use it as a cue to enhance my skills. It's a signal that there's room for improvement, and I take that seriously. I invest time in learning, practicing, and refining my abilities. Each rejection becomes a motivator, pushing me to master my craft. This commitment to growth ensures that the next time I'm faced with a challenge, I'll be more prepared and capable. Number 5. Discover alternative paths. Rejection often closes one door, but I see it as an invitation to explore new paths. It forces me to think creatively, to look beyond the obvious, and to find alternative routes to my goals. By being open to change and adapting to new circumstances, I often discover opportunities I wouldn't have seen otherwise. Rejection becomes a catalyst for innovation and discovery, leading me to unexpected success. Number 6. Accept imperfection. Rejection reminds me that I'm not perfect, and that's okay. It's a part of being human. Instead of letting imperfection discourage me, I embrace it as a natural part of life. By accepting that I won't always get it right, I free myself from the fear of failure. This acceptance allows me to take risks, learn from mistakes, and grow without being held back by unrealistic expectations. Number 7. Enhance emotional intelligence. Rejection is a powerful teacher of emotional intelligence. When I face rejection, I take a moment to understand my feelings, recognize my triggers, and manage my response. This self-awareness helps me navigate future challenges with grace. By enhancing my emotional intelligence, I become better at handling not just rejection, but all the ups and downs of life. It's a skill that enriches both my personal and professional relationships. I hope these Stoic teachings are useful and effective for you. My goal is to make your life better and more enjoyable. I will accompany you in this interesting and meaningful magazine.